Welcome back. Now we'll do the rest of the steps of research process. Before that, the preparation of the research design appropriate for a particular research problem involves usually the consideration for the following: the means of obtaining the information, the availability and skills of the researcher, explanation on the way in which selected means of obtaining information will be organized, and the reasoning leading to the selection, the time available for research, and the last one is the cost factor relating to the research, that is finance available for the purpose. The fifth step of research process is determining sample design. All the items under consideration in any field of inquiry constitutes a universe or population. A complete enumeration of all the items in the population is known as a census inquiry. A brief mention of the important sample designs is as follows. First is deliberate sampling, then simple random sampling, systematic sampling, stratified sampling, and quota sampling, cluster sampling and area sampling, multi-state sampling, and the last one is sequential sampling. Next step of research process is collecting the data. There are several ways of collecting appropriate data, which differ considerably in context of money and time and other resources at the disposal of the researcher. Next step is analysis of data. After the data have been collected, the researcher turns to the task of analyzing them. The analysis of data requires a number of closely related operations such as establishment of categories, the application of these categories to raw data through coding, tabulation, and then drawing statistical inferences. Next step we have is hypothesis testing. After analyzing the data as stated above, the researcher is in a position to test the hypothesis, if any he had formulated earlier. The last step is generalization and interpretation. If the hypothesis is tested and upheld several times, it may be possible for the researcher to arrive at generalization, that is, to build a theory. As a matter of fact, the real value of research lies in its ability to arrive at certain generalizations. After this, we come to preparation of the report. Finally, the researcher has to prepare the report of what has been done by him. Writing of report must be done with great care. Hope this lecture on research process is of great help to you. Please like, share, comment and subscribe Tecnia TV. Thank you.